Hello everyone, my name is Anik and today we will continue our portfolio website development. So right now we have just want to create the two sections, that is one is a contact section and another is a footer section. So contact section is very much important in your portfolio website. Why? Because at every time the person who wants to hire you in your in his company, so he wants your information, right? Like your contact information. So it will be easy for that person to get your contact information from your portfolio website, right? So now we'll create a portfolio website contact section. So for that, again, we will duplicate this title section and drag it to our at the end of the portfolio website, and we will change it to our contact us, and we will write here contact details. Okay. So after that, we have to select a section. We will select two column section. In the first column, we will add a Google map here like this, and in the another section we will add a heading and write our phone number like this. We'll again click on the six dots for taking the text, and we will take this text below our phone number title, and we will add our phone number here like this. Okay. So now what we'll do, we will click on the pencil icon of phone number and you will get a side section of this to edit this title. So what we'll do, we'll change the color of this text like some dark type, and after that we will change the typography, its font family, and like change its font family inside your Now TV, and change its size to 25, or it should be 30. 30 was the better option. And after that, we will click on our number, and again, we'll change its color to a little bit dark, and we'll also change the bolts, or we can say weight of the text. Like this, you can also change multiple, you will get a multiple options here to change your text, like transform, uppercase, capitalize, normal, like this also. After that, style, it if you want, then you can write it as italics or oblique. So I will select the default option, and after that we will duplicate this title with the shortcut key Control plus C, and drag this title at below the your number and change it to email, because if someone wants to email you or wants to contact with your Gmail account, so uh, you will write your email ID, and like that you will add your Gmail here. So my Gmail will be developer.remote.com. So this is my Gmail, and you can add a padding here by click on the advanced, select the advanced section, and click on this link values so that you can change the values separately of every side. So for that, we will change the left padding, like we will increase the left side padding, and we will change it to 30. Like this also, we will change the padding of number, click on advanced, and so So what's happened? It is changing all side of padding. So we will click on link values together. Uh, okay. So I will remove the all side of padding and now click on the link values, and after that change it to 13. So it will only apply to the left side of the text, not all of the sides. After that, we will again add our location. So where you are currently locating. So here I will add, so my current location is Mumbai, India. Like this, you have to change, fill up all the information in your portfolio website. And now what we'll do, we will select the column here so that we can align this map at the middle of the vertical align. So we will select here middle. So it will be aligned at the middle of this column. And it is looks like pretty good, right? So this how you can have to change your contact section, and or you can make some creative changes in your website according to your needs. So now we have created a contact section here. After that, what we'll do, we'll create a footer section. So again, we will select, now we will select three columns here because we need a three columns. In the first, we will add our text. In the second, we'll add our some social media links here. And in the last, we will add a copyright message here. Like this, we will not copy the title for the footer section because it's not necessary to add a title in your footer section. Okay. So in the first, we'll write a heading, or we can take this heading in our footer. Like here, I will write quickly, and at last, first I have to decrease the padding here of this section. So I will again uh, change the padding of this text, and here I will write about myself. Mm. So here I will write about this. So I have just copy paste my information here. So I will remove this and I will paste it in this paragraph. So what will happen? It will perfectly paste or not give the background color there in the previous website. Like so, this how I have changed, added my information in my footer section. And now what I will do, I will give the background color for this complete section, or we can say complete columns. So what we'll do, we will click on this six icons, and after that we will go to our styles, and here is the option of background type. We'll click on classic and we'll give a color, like here whatever color we can give it. So I'll say it's better to give a, it's a better option to give a dark color here, and we will change the color of our titles. I think most of you have aware of these changes in the WordPress you can make. So it's not hard very much. Just you have to see the things where are aligned, and just you have to make some of the changes according to your needs in your website. So I will remove this, and again I will add this section. so that color will be the match with others. And I will select it to add a link in it. So its link will be learn for the years.org like this. So I think we have to change the color of it, but it new and update. And now what we'll do that will here is the A color. Okay. So its color is black and it is not able to. So what we'll do, we will change the color of our background. So we will make it some little bit lighter. We will add some light color in this, and our title it will be dark as it is given in the last time, and our text will be
I find it as
like this out, and then like this we will customize our section, and in the second one we will add social icons. So just select and drop it down. So it is at the top, right? So what we'll do, we will align it to middle. For aligning, we will select our column and we will click on vertical align middle for aligning it to our middle side. And we will now click on our pencil icon to change the to customize our icons here. After that, we will change the color of it. Like it is official color. So we will select our custom color format. So what we will change, we will choose a little bit dark color format, and we will give some of the spacing to given the space between them. After that, at the last, we will add a text message that all copyright uh, all copyright is reserved by Patel. And now we will click on our pencil icon to change the text of this, change the color of this text. So it look better at the light color. So after that, we will change the font family of it, and I think all it's perfect. And we will change the alignment to the center. And before it, we have to add a copyright. So to add a copyright icon here, you have to click on Windows plus dot to open this pop-up type text box. And that option you will select this icons here, and after that you will find a copyright icon like this. This is the copyright icon here, and you will add it in your text message. So to add this type of icon in your text, you have to just click on Windows plus dot. click on window, and after that click on dot key. Okay, and now I think we have almost done. We just have to middle align this text. So we will click on our column, and after that we will select vertical align middle. So now I think we have almost completed our footer section, and we will update our site. And now we will redirect to our portfolio website and refresh the page. After that, so I think almost our website is completed. Our footer section is also have come here, and our map and contact details has also. So the our almost our changes I have made. So now we will create some of the changes, like we will add a left padding in the inside this column, so that it will give us some spacing between the map section and the information section. And after that, we will update our section. And now here we will change the color again because it is too dark since it's very dark here. And also our name, like this. Now update your website, and also you have to make many more changes in your website if you want then. So now also we have to add a image here, and I think almost our website is ready. So now in the next section or in next video, we will create or edit our website responsiveness. Like we will, like after clicking right clicking and click on inspect to see your website in the mobile with. So in the mobile with it looks like this. Okay. So I think in WordPress it is automatically our website is responsive in all the devices, but we have to make some changes. Like we have to change the alignment of this icon in the proper manner so that our website should look better in the responsiveness or in the mobile view. So we will continue this in the next video. So take care and see you in the next video.